Hi! So today I'll be doing a DIY tutorial on how to make a bath bomb. Most of the materials used in the tutorial are usually sitting somewhere around your house. The ingredients you'll need are as follows. So first, we need to mix all the dry ingredients together. Take a bowl and pour in the baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, salt, and food coloring. It doesn't matter whether it is a liquid or powder. Next, take some sort of spoon to thoroughly mix all the ingredients together. Having the baking soda, which is a base, and citric acid, which is an acid, and cornstarch as an ingredient creates the fizz at the end after it comes in contact with water due to the acid-base reaction produced. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO3, rapidly dissolves in water, breaking it into positively charged sodium ions and negatively charged bicarbonate. Simultaneously, the citric acid also reacts and breaks into a single positive hydrogen ion and other molecules. Then the bicarbonate from the baking soda binds with the positive hydrogen ion from the citric acid and produce carbon dioxide gas, which forms small bubbles, thus the fizz. The cornstarch here will act as an agent which will slow down the rate of the reaction so that both the citric acid and the baking soda react at the same time. This helps to keep the fizziness going for about 4 minutes instead of a few seconds. Now switching to the wet ingredients, measure and pour in any essential oil if available, and then pour in the castor or almond oil, and followed by a little bit of water. Mix them together with a spoon or anything that's available. All the wet ingredients are used to protect the skin from the chemicals like citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. And the essential oil here is used for the odor. The small amount of water added to the mixture before helps bind all the dry ingredients together so it doesn't fall apart, as well as neutralize the acid added to the mixture. Finally, put the thoroughly mixed mixture into a mold like so. Make sure to pack in the mixture nicely in order to make sure that there are no air bubbles when you take out the final product. Now, after filling out both the molds nicely, put them aside for approximately 24 hours. To make the process faster, put it in a refrigerator for 15 minutes. Then take out the bath bomb from the mold, and here's the final product. Test it out.